this is the particular place they came. They invaded this particular place, and this young man here, they attempted to shoot this young man, and he pushed them out and ran away. And after they ran away, even the bullets, the bullets were on the ground here, and the security people have come to check. Is this particular place they followed? The security, the police people are here to check what is happening. Bullet for hand. Let that woman. Let the woman bullet it. How the botia? How the botia? Now this bush where they dey now. This side now where they dey. Now from this road. This is bullet. This is bullet. This is bullet. And he was inside. These people want to kill somebody. These are bullets. Look at the shed. Look at. This is where the bullet bounced. And bounced here. And these are the shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus the major bullet. Plus the major one that bounced on the wall. Now honey, I want person now about the whole Urunina. Not talk in the group as the bona fide citizen of Agba. No good person will talk to tell us the truth or to make sure that the people of Agba are saved. Then efforts to do something. Then look at, people are dying. People are, look at, just that no victim yet. No victim. No victim yet. Efforts to only kidnap from only release here. Then efforts to instead of to take action. Look at, no, people should go ahead and take a time right here. Asoyibo, Agba no masoyibo, Sumano Yibo, no masoyibo, as you can see, those that I posted something previously, and nobody want to talk concerning it. As I speak to you now, the Fulani people have invaded Obakoma. They look at the people clustering roads, shooting everybody in their houses, and they all ran out from their place. So people who are asking chorus question that you want to know how the person was directed or how the person get somebody. Come back home. If you can listen, bullet is still releasing. They are still releasing gun. All about my people have gone out, and you are there asking until the people will die and die 1 or 2, 3. Then you will now stop to bring the government to rest.
All the Ejimnaka hona video anwa, and onwere nkem carry play, but all the too bloody. The woman abatara egbe. Ihe mere na Agwa, you know, and we have been saying this thing. There is no need for us to keep saying this thing. Every community form a vigilante group. President Tunumbu has approved forest guard. Every community start forming forest guard now. Ihuna nkemere na Agwa. Ihuna Agwa. Izombe. Akabo. Umuofo. Kera ejemekuru. Umunoha. Ihuna nde Azara. Nda niile bakotachoro onu like this obako. Form one a complete joint forest guard committee. Form one here, so that any learner within this area, I got cover chaya. Any learner within this area, I got cover chaya. Thank God, now president has approved forest guard. Non so kwa no de team we for years, for many months now. I know de team forest guard. Thank God, that no dika onwereka mmụọ ahụ na-agwa m okwu shirigwa president okwu ye ma approve immediately for forest guard in all the forests enwere na Nigeria. All this Irigenwa as a community leader now to form a forest guard. Don't wait for government. Don't wait. The president has spoken. The president has spoken. Form one forest guard now. Every Eze, every PG, every community youth leader, form one forest guard in all your bushes. Unu were here. Unu were forest. Even the Fulani Herdsmen and even the organ harvesters, you know. Because in the Fulani Herdsmen and the organ harvesters, they work together, they work hand in hand. It is an organized crime. Even our brothers self, so this is no longer a time for you to keep quiet. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has approved the formation of forest guard in the entire country of Nigeria. So don't wait until Ebuowe Imo State she give form of forest guard. I want to give you this. Come now. When government so pure Imo State, si uniform every community form your forest guard, equip them now. Equip them now. Can they not more here also? Because I believe now forest guard will be more here now. Also gaba. I believe that I chop to here. I believe that I get a feel to here. I believe that I got chop a lot of things going on in our bushes and our forests. I believe it. Onyabala kitio. Onyabala kitio. Ngobala. Abapala kitio. Over north. Over west. Over municipal. Unabapala kiti. Okay, we unabala kiti. Mbitol unabala kiti. Ohaje bema. Oguta. Unabala kiti. Eba ni nendana wapugari nde madu. Unabala kiti. Form the forest garden now. Joint forest garden now. Now. Start doing it now. Wabuo ni mo hiunu now. Kosoba. Wabuo ni mo hiunu now. Kosoba. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria has given a go-ahead order. Form it now.